You want to start it? Like, this is for people who don't know how to perfect, like, asparagus. Like, boo, you got to say something.
Okay, yeah. So I'm cutting this asparagus up.
Come on, bro. Like, make this a real video so people will really know how to make asparagus.
So you take the asparagus.
So should we be using a paper plate?
Yeah, that's fine, because I'm just cutting it. All right. If you don't have a cutting board and you don't have the money for a cutting board, just use a paper plate like everybody use one.
What? See, my food review videos don't go like this. Like, once I learn how to make it appropriate, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a real one, cause he not true to this.
All right. So you cut that like that. All right. Then you can take these and you can just throw these in the trash. All right.
I didn't know that's how much we take.
Yeah, give it to you. That's good. That's good. Here, throw these little panda stems in there too.
Okay.
These are called panda stems.
Is that really what they call them?
No, that's just what the pandas eat.
Is that really what pandas eat?
No, it's bamboo. What are you talking about?
Oh, I don't know. We want to get started on a tuna steak. We're pescatarian, so for y'all who like y'all steaks, tuna steak is a good I'm about to say it's a good sacrifice.
A good sacrifice.
It's a good, what you call it, replacement.
Sacrifice?
You know what I mean? Let me see. Open it. I'm making us candy yams. Yep.
Dog meat.
You said it look like dog meat?
Huh? No.
Did you just say it look like dog meat? Okay, well, don't eat the candy yams then.
Oh, okay. So you season both sides. What about the edges?
I don't have to, because what's going to happen once I finish, I'm going to go like this.
Okay. Wash your hands.
Oh, do you really want to tell the people where your hands go every night? Be honest. Where your hands go every night? Well, I gotta tell you, take your hands from.
My boxers?
No, it's in your boxes, but where they be at? Every night.
These to me?
Ass digger.
What? Wait, no diddy.
No diddy?
No diddy.
Ass digger.
No diddy, bro.
You got one gray hair.
One gray hair? I got a bunch of gray hairs.
Odie.
What? I got more gray hair than him, and he's older. I have way more gray hair.
Old hair, wisdom head.
Show the people that you really love mommy.
This is not just for the camera, y'all. Okay?
See, when you get kissed on the forehead, that means he really love you.
Yeah. That's a tender touch, a tender kiss.
Somebody gonna say he not joking. You can see it in his eyes.
Yeah. What you see?
See, he Gerard Butler in all his crazy movies. Why you laughing?
I thought you said you put on the edges too.
It's gonna get there.
Hmm?
You one of them kids that don't like
The lies.
Make some room for the yams on the table. It's coming in hot. It's coming in hot.
Woo. Look at this mutt meat, y'all.
Mutt meat? What is mutt meat?
That?
Mutt meat?
What in the world?
It's so good. You can smell it, can't
Did you
you?
put the vinegar? I mean, not the vinegar.
I put the
vanilla?
cinnamon in it. I put the vanilla extract in it. And I put the brown sugar.
Did you put the lemon extract?
We ain't had no more lemon. I put the vanilla extract. I put the vanilla! The tuna steak don't take long to make. Watch this. Watch when I flip it on the other side. Look at that. Ooh. Come on now. You want to try? Wait, it's hot.
Huh?
It's good, right?
Tastes better than love.
What?
All right,
I don't know if that's a compliment.
All right, it's coming out.
It tastes better than love.
Put on for 2 minutes.
2 minutes? Yeah. That's all?
2 minutes.
Okay.
2.
Don't dump them in it. You're going to splash all that hot water on you. Put them in.
The ice bucket challenge.
So soon as he finished. Oh, wait. Let me turn down the tuna.
Dang.
We got a lot of things going on.
Well, she burned the fish.
Wait, I need my... I'm not burning it.
You done messed up my tuna.
I did it. It's perfect now. It's ready to come off.
I ain't asked for blackened.
It's not blackened. That's what I use.
Lime juice or fresh lime?
This.
Oh, the ghetto lime juice?
This is not ghetto
This
lime.
is ghetto lime juice. This is ghetto lime juice.
It's
If
not
you don't
ghetto.
use fresh lime
Well, that's what we
or
have
fresh
right
lemon,
Okay.
it's ghetto lime.
Okay. 2 minutes is up. The yams is ready. The tuna steak is ready. The alarm is going, and the asparagus is ready. Okay, damn, stop.
Now grab these. As soon as you grab them, take them out. Go right in the ice. All right. You know why? You know why I'm doing this?
Why?
To stop it from cooking. All right. You can take your butter from Trader Joe's.
Oh my God! I got that butter from Trader Joe's.
Yeah, when I first met her,
No,
she was the
no.
what? Ghetto living. When I first met you, you was using the 39-cent butter.
That's all I know.
Yeah, that's all you could afford.
What?
You built the TikTok. This is my cooking channel.
So where's this gonna be uploaded on?
On my cooking channel.
Where's your cooking channel?
It's on YouTube. If y'all want to go see my YouTube cooking channel, let me know.
Okay, what is it? What is it?
I'll
Give it
put
to
the
them.
link in the
What's
bio. I'll put the link in
There's
the
no
bio.
link.
I'll put the link in
You
the
know
bio.
what?
for
The link
them.
is in the bio. Follow our YouTube. The link is in the bio. That's how YouTube. He don't have a cooking channel.
I'm the chef. You're the sous chef.
Okay.
You just watch out. Get out of my way.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. See, chef has to have full range in the kitchen.
Okay.
I'm Batman. You Robin.
Why don't be Catwoman?
Or Catwoman, whoever you are.
So you put them down wet. You don't dry them.
You can drown.
So do you dry them?
No. This is suburban asparagus.
Suburban asparagus.
This is how civilized people make their asparagus. You eat the little
You know,
stringy
ghetto
tough
people be
ones.
the main people who know how to make good soul food. Just so you know that.
Yeah. Anything dealing with oil, fried, stuff that's bad for you, yes. They make that very good, yes. Anything that's unhealthy for you with a lot of sugar, Kool-Aid, yams, cornbread.
So you're not even, how is your cooking channel? You're not even telling people what you're using.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Rosemary and sea salt. Fresh rosemary and sea salt mix. All right, let's get back to these yams.
Don't do that.
Don't do
Because
it.
you're going to tear those yams up. You're going to tear them up. Garlic! How many times I got to tell you?
Oh, this is going to mess it up.
How is it going to mess it up? Garlic make everything better. So what was the point of the lime?
Oh yeah, see, I'm used to using fresh. This is ghetto.
It's just basically
You gotta
squeeze out
shake
the
this
lemon.
up first.
I don't shake it first.
How do you use this? Squeeze it.
Now, how long you put it in the oven now?
So we put it in the oven for about a good, put it in for 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay, so I'm going to set the timer for 5 minutes.
Just to give it a little browning. Yeah, you see the crunchiness
Oh, that is
though.
crunch.
You see the crunchiness though, right? Yeah.
Look at that.
So y'all asparagus all stringy. This is that good suburban.
I make a special sauce for the tuna steak. The main base is mayo. Mine's is Duke. That's my favorite mayo brand. What's your type y'all favorite mayo brand? So I'll make a vinaigrette. Ooh, and brown sugar. Because it usually be sweeter than this.
All right, that's good. That's too much sugar for that little thing. That's good. See, that's what I'm saying. This one, I didn't even try this. It might be a little too sweet.
It's not even sweet at all.
All right.
So we got
Asparagus,
tuna
I can't
steak,
stop eating that.
asparagus, and yams.
Asparagus, boy.
Okay. Ooh. Thank you for teaching me. Y'all need you to do it no more.
Told you.
Give me a kiss.
It's the chef.
Yeah.
What we do first?
So
Put the water.
we boil the water.
Boil the
Bring
water.
the water to a boil.
Bring the water to a boil.
Then you put the asparagus in it no more than 2 minutes.
No more than 2
Then you
minutes.
put them in the ice water to let them stop cooking.
Put in the ice bag right after you bring it out the.
Then you put the butter
Then
down
once you take them out the ice bucket,
and season
lay
it.
them on aluminum foil or pan,
Season it.
dry them off.
And then you put them in the oven for 5 minutes.
Yep.
Oh, it's so good. For my first meal of the day.